welcome back to my Igbo lesson. So today is lesson 3. Ta bo lesson 3. Today is lesson 3. So today what we are doing is family. Family is everything. Ezinụlọ bụ ihe niile. Family is everything. Ezinụlọ bụ ihe niile. So today we'll be identifying mother, father, brother, sister, cousins, niece, nephew, all those go to go. All those everything. Mother is Nne. Nne. So if you want to say my mother, you say Nnem. You say Nnem. Nnem. Father is Nna. Father is Nna. If you want to say my father, you say Nnam. Nnam. He is my father. Obu Nnam. Good. So we move on to children is Umu. Child is Nwa. So when you're talking about one child, it's Nwa. Children, 2 or more, Umu. So siblings is Umu Nnem. Now let me explain that. Remember we just said Nne is mother. Now siblings is saying that Umu, because Umu means children. So Umu Nnem, children of my mother. That's basically it. Umu Nnem, children of my mother. Umu Nnem, siblings. So Nwani represents the female gender. Nwoke represents the male gender. Brother. So that is Nwanne Nwoke. Nwanne Nwoke, my brother. Now sister. Nwanne Nwani. Your sister. Nwanne Nwani. Nwa, child. Nne, mother. Nwanne, then Nwani is woman, girl. Grandfather is Nnani Ukwu. Some people say Nna. Some people say Mpanuku. All now ways to call grandfather. Grandchild is Nwa. Now remember, Nwa is child. So when I have a child, that is my Nwa. Now when my child has a child, that is my Nwa, because then I become a grandmother. So Nwa is grandchild. Wife. What is wife in Igbo? Wife is Nwunye. Nwunye. Now if you want to say my wife, Nwunyem. When you're saying wife, is Nwunye. Understand that when I'm saying I'm trying to personalize it. So it's like Nwunyem. What is husband? D. Husband is literally 2 words. D. So your husband is D. Husband is D. For instance, we want to say D Chioma. D Chioma. Chioma's husband. Dim, my husband. This is important. So for all my brothers, sisters going to marry Igbo people, now you have to know this, because this is what you call your in-laws. Your in-laws are your ogo. Ogo. These are my in-laws. Ndi ogom. Ndi ogom. You're personalizing it now. You're saying these are my in-laws. Ndi ogom. So in-law is ogo. Mother-in-law is ne di. Ne di. Mother-in-law is ne di. Ne di. Now you want to personalize it. You say ne dim. Ne dim. Ne dim. Mother-in-law. Father-in-law is Nnadi. Nnadi. So you want to personalize it. You say Nnadim. So you see that I'm doing to personalize it, because that's to show that that's my father-in-law. So, do you see where we got the father-in-law name? Nna is father, Di is husband, Nna Di. Simple. Nne is mother, Di is husband, Nne Di. Simple. If it's the man trying to talk about his mother-in-law, so he says, Nne Wunyem. Remember, Wunye is wife, Nne is mother. So, Nne Wunyem, my wife's mother. Nna Wunyem. Nna is father, Wunye is wife, Nna Wunyem. So, Nna Wunyem. Nephew or niece is Nwa Nwannem. Nwa Nwannem, child of my sibling. Remember, Nwanne is my sibling. Now, Nwa is child, so child of my sibling. Nwa Nwannem. Talk about aunties and uncle. Your aunties and your uncles are the siblings of your parents. So, Nwanne Nnem or Nwanne Nnam. Nwanne Nnem or Nwanne Nnam. So, the brother or sister of my mother or the brother or sister of my father. Nwanne Nnem, Nwanne Nnam. That's easy. So now you know what your uncle is. It's not just uncle in and auntie in English. It's Nwanne Nnem, Nwanne Nnam. Nwanne Nnem, Nwanne Nnam. Son, my son or my daughter. So if I have a son, my son is Nwa Nwoke. My daughter is Nwa Nwanyị. Son is Nwa Nwoke. Daughter is Nwa Nwanyị. Son is Nwa Nwoke. Daughter is Nwa Nwanyị. I know they're related to me somehow, but I actually don't know how. Okay, how are they related to me? Relatives are called Ikwu na Ibe. Ikwu na Ibe. Ikwu na Ibe. That is Buruburu, the surroundings of the other family, the Buruburu of your family.